Explore the butcher blocks production at Smartwood factory. Step 1. Purchasing raw timber with FSC certified. Step 2. Peel drying. Step 3. Stave cutting process. Step 4. For side planning process. Step 5. Moisture content measuring. Step 6. Quality checking and stave assembling process. Step 7. The side planing process. Step 8. Edge assembling process. Step 9. Size cutting and surface sanding. Step 10. Detailing process. Step 11. Oil coating. Step 12. Product packaging. Step 13. Pallet packing. Step 14. Container packing. Contact Smartwood today too if you need sample.